Imagine you are sitting in an interview for your dream job. You have prepared for technical questions, you have revised your projects, you are confident, and then the interviewer asks a simple yet a powerful question: why should we hire you? Suddenly, your mind goes blank and your heart races. You are not alone, dear students. Even top-performing students often find this question difficult to answer. Hello everyone, this is Shrikant Keshav, your interview coach from the training division of KIET, deemed to be university. In today's video, we will cover why interviewers ask this question, then the correct approach to answer this question confidently, and most importantly, we will also discuss a complete sample answer. Hence, make sure you watch the video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before we look at the best way to answer this question, let us first understand why do interviewers ask this question. They're not asking you to praise yourself. They are actually trying to understand three important things. Number one, do you have the right skills? Number two, can you add value to the company? And number three, do you have the right attitude to work with a team? So, your answer should clearly communicate three things. One, what you know. Two, what you can do for the organization. And three, how the company will benefit from hiring you. Moving forward, let us look at the common answers given by most of the students. We generally answer this question by saying something like, you should hire me because I am hardworking, I am passionate, I am a quick learner. Do you think this kind of an answer will impress the interviewer? Certainly not, because every candidate says the same thing. So the interviewer thinks that if everyone is hardworking or everyone is a quick learner, then why should I hire you? Now that you know why interviewers ask this question and the common mistake while answering, let us now discuss the best way to answer it. There is a formula, and I call it the SVP Formula. Let me explain this framework. S stands for skills. Here you should briefly talk about the technical skills you have developed during your degree. For example, you could say, I have developed strong proficiency in Java and data structures and gained hands-on experience in Python, SQL, and web development. Next is V, which stands for value. Here you should mention the skills that will help the company solve problems or improve their work processes. You could say, in my final year project, I built a smart attendance system using Java and MySQL, where I implemented efficient data handling and user authentication. I believe these skills will help me contribute effectively to your development team. Remember, companies hire people who can create value. And lastly, P stands for proof, which means you have to show evidence. That is, you need to talk about your projects, internship, hackathons, certifications, or achievements. And this is one of the most decisive part of the answer, dear students, where the interviewer starts believing in your capability. Therefore, when you combine skills, value, and proof, your answer becomes much stronger and convincing. So using this SVP formula, let me give you a complete model answer. Please listen carefully, dear students, and here we go. You should hire me because I bring a combination of strong technical skills and practical project experience. During my BTech or MCA, I developed strong knowledge in Java, data structures, and database management. I applied these skills in my final year project, where my team developed a web-based student management system that improved data tracking efficiency. I also completed an internship where I worked on debugging and feature improvements, which helped me understand real-world software development practices. I believe these experiences will help me contribute effectively to your organization while continuously learning and improving. So dear students, this kind of an answer leaves a great impression and shows you are serious about the role and can add value to the company. And that's how you answer, why should we hire you, effectively. To wrap up, we discussed why interviewers ask this question. Then we saw the common mistake made while answering this question. We also discussed the SVP formula to answer this question effectively. And finally, we covered a complete model answer based on the SVP framework. Dear students, let me end this video with an important message. Companies do not hire candidates just because you have a degree. They hire people who can create value. So go ahead, prepare your answer before the interview because this question is almost guaranteed. And I quote, "Chance favors the prepared mind." If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more interview tips. Thank you for watching, dear students. Keep learning, keep smiling, and best of luck for your interviews.